Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a really interesting video to work on today. Now, before we get started on the project, a lot of you guys realized that last week we had some weird audio issues on the video. So if you could take 2 seconds, whatever device you're on, just leave a comment below and let me know if you can hear me just fine. I would really appreciate it. Now, about today's project. Last week, we were moving a bunch of pallets around and reorganizing. Pallets that hadn't been moved in years. And Eric, our warehouse manager, came to me and said, dude, what do you want me to do with these pearls? I'd never seen them before. I took a look. I'd never seen them either. It was gloom green from my buddy over at DidSpeed. I went straight to the computer and I looked it up. We don't have this pearl on either one of our websites. So this must be a pearl that slipped through the cracks years ago back in the liquid wrap depot days. It doesn't look like anything we have either. It's a deep metallic green with a really crazy blue highlighter hue to it. Anyway, I want to see it full scale right now. We're doing it on the S4. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, going into this, I didn't know what to expect from this pearl. I didn't know if it was something we use in passing one time or if it'd be worthy of a car kit. It's really interesting that when you get it outside, the areas that are getting hit by direct light have tons of saturation and color, but the areas that are not go super dark. Maybe that's why they call it gloom green. Either way, I think it's definitely deserving of a car kit. If you want to dip your car gloom green, click right up in this area here. It'll bring you to the gloom green car kit. And if you want to dip your car in another color, we've got a ton of them to choose from. Link in the description box below to all of our car kits. I want you to look at this car I want you to look at this color and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it because I kind of like it. It's Fonzie. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Crazy blue highlights. I want to see what this looks like full scale, and if it looks good, we'll make a car kit out of it and put it on Dip Your Car. So we're working on the Evo today. No, we're not. What the f are we working on? So before we do anything, if you could take 2 seconds, leave a comment below, and just let me know if you can hear me just fine. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now, as far as today's project, I don't even know what I'm talking about. I want to see what Gloom Green looks like full scale. So we're working on the S4 today. We're going to go right now and something, I don't know what. I looked it up online. We didn't have it on either one of our websites. This must have been a pearl that slipped through the craps. Slipped through the craps. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, going into this, I didn't know what to really expect with Gloom Green. One thing I can say is something. I don't know. Well, at least the blooper reel will be good.